Well, going up on is like you guys. So for today's video, we have Queen back at it again with Doey, but this time, my God, onto the video. That's all I'm ever saying. My God.
But the dip on live an hour ago, it come off on different live this. I'm fine, how are you? Are you okay? And alright? Yeah, me just there, I look on the Liberty, on top of Liberty, wanna take with me over and over again, and I go rebuild and rethink and come back for no dirty nasty blood clot. Let me ask you something, yeah? When I get up on my husband's skin and I set him up against me, I ask my husband, you know, remember the good times and the nice time? I just a negative part. How everybody in England know, you know, and them want to tell you what you have to do, what you have to walk, how much time you have to talk to me, or you have to talk to me. And my friend, where you ups and down with, and you tell me, man, a Judas, and a blood clot Judas. And a Judas, right hand my blood clot nose. You think me gonna walk come look for you? You think me walk come look fuck? Or you think your blood clot cocky? I respect you because you're married to me. And my sister things get out of blood clot and out of proportion. But you take this joke too far. You think me ain't nobody? You think you can show off for me and survive do it? You could have walked till blood clot, black snow fall do it. Remember the goodness. And the times when me, and when me the blood clot tell you when me there at Jamaica say, do it. When you married the woman name the woman don't lead your name Mama. And Yvette might not remember. When me say, me can't send for you come to England, and you say it no matter baby girl, it don't matter so we're married. That time you never know me could have sent for you. So you come here now and show off and me go hide in a people blood clot house and up on internet indirect show one more. You can't done me do it. Don't throw no blood clot word pa me boy. Don't throw no word pa me. But no reconnect. You have to blood clot reconnect. You may have your name. Stop impress people. And make people set you up. And you be a blood clot press button. Because you are a press button now. I may have enough of it now. I have blood clot enough now. When the airport video, I said, do it go up on the live. And talk up. You never talk up, Mr. Scarlett. And me get up the morning like a mad blood clot woman with my preaching hairstyle. And my little piece of night to them could have sit up in my bumbo. I'm a classy nation for you. And you still lie down. I still blame me and haul me. I said to you, say, do it. And me post the video. How much blood clot things you do me and nobody never did it for video it. Youth, husband. How all of that you still pack up and you tell me say, Theo say, make me call people blood clot name because I have enough I wanna know. Dagger Master Jones, Theo say. And I know if you take a hair break from me, and you say, crazy, you got always in my heart. I am a wife, and no girl can have my heart, but the girl am gonna get fucked. And last day when you come back, I'm tell you, say, you tell me, say, Tia, tell you, say, you need a break. And a true Tia talk, you tell me, say, you never say so. You think you can date Tia can style blood clot me? Tia not married. Tia walk and fuck with one blood clot fuck and not have no loyalty. You are a married man. So if you get up 100 blood clot time, and you go and you have party, you have to remember your bands, your union. You come show up for me. Do it when me done separate internet, me say it already, I can't take it back, you know make it no better. Cause it's like silent blood clot madman no go. You know how long me sit down quiet? Tia take your care girl like White Hat Lane, I'm woman yard, Tia woman blood clot yard, everybody life I got turn upside the down to that wanna feel like. Dagger Master. Up at Clarence Road, little boy, your mother introduce you to me. Me you like mother and son. Me you like friend. Me you like every blood clotting. And you encourage my husband and then you boots my husband against me and see me sit down and laugh. A ball. And you feel good about that? You feel good about that? You must swear you have me up for. Me not go call the phone and ask you nothing. Me where you say you rate and respect so much. Where you know I do it from? You come pick up Dewey and carry Dewey right at White Hart Lane. Go make Dewey stay at your coolie girl yard. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with blood clot me and do you gotta come show up for me. Do you can't show up for me? You have to respect me. And the truth lies within you. Do you all when you want to have me up? The truth lies within you. You make people influence blood clot because you don't have your own mind. Your brother did tell me at Jamaica say you don't have your own blood clot mind. And I'm going to disgrace you. You not reconnect. You have to reconnect. I'm your next account. You hear that? So when I make it look like me a madman. Or you fit tie up me with my blood clot name and I chat shit. You hype so till you're fool. You hype so till you're blood clot fool. How we abandon on me? I mean don't come for. I mean don't come for. I go get cooked today. Yeah. Like me one big careless woman. Me one terrible awful woman, but me don't careless do it. And you pick up yourself, run gang, itch up with that catch up people blood clot like you scan me and you despise me. And like me the worst thing pan God earth. Me no know where I become a year. Me your exact next in your fucking jackass. Theo can't sign for you. Theo woman can't blood clot sign for you. And my address and me you come here under. You tell me what kind of ungratefulness that is. That's not ungrateful. That's stupid. I'm being influenced by who they are England. When no England, I understand blood clot England. Theo, when you are guest people, you know why you could have turned against me, do it, Theo? Because you can't try guess me. You know you can't guess me. So the love what you say you have for me, you just turn one back and belly red, so. And the one side with my husband ups and down, you know, there barber shop, you know, there party, you know, I go look walk, you know, there liquor store, you know, have girl driving at me here with a blood clotting. Enough people soon. And I'm not just today, me here. Me just watch my husband. You don't have no loyalty, do you? You don't have no sense. You wreck your own blood clot life. And me wreck your life. And you wreck your life because you never stand up to your wife and talk. You chat me with everybody. You chat me with Gucci. You chat me with Aisha. You chat me with Tia. You chat me with every blood clot by the other husband. And then you want to stay one side and paint bad picture upon me. Do you hear that? Anything me talk loud and proud. And me tell you before me talk it, say if you don't shape up husband, me go disgrace the marriage. I say go and do it. And now the marriage becomes disgrace on top of disgrace. Me alone now keep my blood clot secret. Tear your out of order. Dagger Master Jones, you're fucking out of order. You sit down and see me suffer. You think a boyfriend and girlfriend to you, you have your baby mother and your youth them. And you're influenced because he's a guest not to you. To you when you say, Jay, make the blood clot people them, you load that awful all on top of the car. And that you're doing a Dewey head. You can't take a break, my dog. Take a break, and that me do. I say you for fuck the girl them. I say you for anger them. Do you not have that in you? All you play tough. Do why you think I'm married to you. I'm married to you because how you treat me at Jamaica. You fucking jackass. You come here, from me, you know them are influencing. You know? The people themselves are everywhere me go, me have to carry up. I say, what you mean, do it? But you brought me that to Jamaica. Why you did itch up on me with the 8 months everywhere? And then now when you're reaching a my town, where you don't know, your skin a crawl you. Do it, go. What the blood clot you do it. But you know, reconnect, you have to blood clot connect. If you got Jamaica back, you still have to reconnect. So don't take hype and swipe and chat blood clot shit. Nothing that you're wicked. And when you're old grudge, And I come talk about me, I take Colonel. You see Colonel cocky on my pussy, do we? You're glad you get to an excuse. Do you know about blood clot Colonel? Come tell about every cock way going on my pussy before you come in my life. So when you come run slung with your dirty blood clot friend, Dagger Master. Calm down, Queenie. Calm down and say your truth. Dagger Master, God go with you. You all I know and laugh after people real life and proper life. But remember, I got on time. You hear that? Yeah, back to my husband now. You know what bun me why I come talk? Me say everybody I say man grateful and him this. You see if the man did have sense, all they want to do is get up and hold grudge. Remember, me up on the life for my birthday. I get cash up money for my birthday. And your baby mother come on the live. And when she come on the live, you come on the live and start trouble her. She trouble me, you know. And then you start say your piece. Remember, and I mean the trouble. As she said to me, say, how much money you get? I say, I not tell her that time I say as she. And then after I look at me read the name, I say, what? I say, Trisha, you that? Well, all of that what I sit down doing. As a wife and all. I not stress. I talk my truth. I'm all it as a wife do it. I stand by you. Do you never one day stand by me yet? From before you come and foreign when them are done, you at Jamaica do it. Me cuss, me fight, me roll, me do everything. You see me see you run well left, me do it. And me see the girl in my again, me say do it. These people don't mean you any good, them guys. Mash up your life. And when they mash up your life and you're lonely, no, you prefer friend and company. You see if you're gone and you do some constructive, fuck the work. Because when you come to us, you do care work. Yes, do it. Go and go do care work and man up yourself. But stop chat me and stop make people blood clot influence you like Theo. Theo, they are your Theo same 32. And Theo have no house and land and no blood clot yet. So what kind of house and land are yet Theo tell you you can't achieve in the space of fucking month by coming out of my yard? Theo, you're a devilish to you, Theo. I mean, never got blood clot ID, Theo. But all them, from last week, me I go to the yard. And that me come to. My husband, when I sit down, I don't feel like say, when I create and produce, I don't fight it. But what not tell me, say? What you not tell me, say now? When is a disgrace, and I say me disgraceful. Me not disgraceful. Me have to pray for my husband because I say I'm leader straight, but every girl in England want me. But do you know that before you come to England? So for you come back, come tell your wife that. I tear in your head because you don't want to live careless blood clot life. And tear show you I'm angle girl. And tell you say you're for angle girl. So no girl of England that you can't take for no fool. Them take your cocky the way. And then study blood clot you. And watch and say that Queenie attack. But all when them tap you. And because of how I'm going over you doing. None of them now blood clot run you down for who you is doing. Remember, me put you on the map. And you can't come off of this blood clot. Tia Dagger Master Jones. Me don't know what blood clot grudge you have for me. Because you never beg me fuck and me never look fuck off a blood clot. Me take care of my little soldier, my little everything when me buck you. Me never expect you for that behind my husband disappear. Me never expect you for agree to it. One blood clot month now almost. What? I come talk about no they are cousin. You know they are not blood clot because of careless life you and do it. You and Tia drive up and down and Tia tell you, me gangster mover blood clot. You don't think God asleep? You think God asleep and then you want to come show up for me and right. You say hide from blood clot internet, but you go for internet. You should have shamed your dirty blood clot self. You're married to a woman and you never go stand up for the woman. But one girl will say she put knife on my throat. Yeah, but do what you have to do. What you mean she do what she have to do? Do what she have to do in the first place. How you have strength and motivation to go defend she. But you can't defend your wife. Look into your blood clot self. Look into yourself. And then you can't talk to blood clot. Nobody can talk to you do it. No mother, no father, no wife. No sister, nobody can talk to you, do it. And that's the wickedest thing, boy. You see me take talk to. And I'm here the blood clot queen where the whole world know. I'm a kid right. Nobody can talk to because the amount of people will reason it with you and counsel you and something. And all you want to do a Lego life. Then me if you sit down and ball after blood clot you do, me just lose my pitney. And not even my pitney in there have to comfort blood clot me. But you have to put carnal pussy in my, I go say carnal cocky in my pussy. Do it. Move your dirty nasty blood clot. You're glad when you see carnal for find excuse. He's like a headless blood clot chicken. You come talk when I go on internet come class you like it turn you on. You turn your blood clot on because if you never turn you on it, man up. I remember say he's a married man. You move like some careless dirty blood clot, boy. You careless no blood clot. Tia, you soon start shoplift with blood clot. You careless no pussy hole. I want to can style. I want to think you can blood clot style. I want to grudge me for what me create. Grudge me for what me create. Do it. God got the blood clot glory with you, my husband. Me not stop pray for you. I mean, I wish you no blood clot, but you hear that? The sweet when turn bitter for what? For one airport foolishness? That not make no blood clot sense to me. No sense it not make. You hear that? I make all I do it tired hour. I'm blood clot self him tired. All I do get up bleach and pick your finger blood clot nail and I go talk about me no want you for work. Oh me no want you for work. You have to come work and mind blood clot to me. You have to work and give me back something. Me not for call blood clot you. Me not for call you. Me not for call you.
Listen, just listen, listen. You know when me meet Dewey the Tuesday,
yes.
I'm a podcast, I ask him for come, when I ask you for come.
Yeah.
When Dewey came in my fucking car, I never expected that you and your husband was in no argument. The first thing Dewey land, I'm a car come tell me and say, me Dan, you know how I should write you off? I'm say, Dewey, you can't kill Queenie in my head. She's my friend, I'm like the woman. After my blood clot done now. Dewey said to me, say, see how that? He said to me, say, please come back with me later. Him coming in my car and put him suitcase and him put everything. I said, Dewey, you're willing to go to war with your fucking wife because she's nuts, blood. He came and he said, yes, he's willing to go to fucking war. Him tired of you, him talk one bag of things, him don't even know that woman you're from nowhere, Queenie. Me tell Dewey, me no want to chat things with him and your wife. Every day, every listener, every blood clot there with.
Dewey say you tell himself to take a ear from it to you. And Dewey. Dewey, tell me so.
Dewey a blood clot, Wiki. Looking at my eye. Looking at my eye. Don't throw it off with them blood clot. Disgusting, Queenie. And don't throw it on the fucking truth.
I'm glad you come out here. I'm glad you come out of this blood clot. I know Dewey are wicked and liar. Dewey said to you, tell him, say.
When the fuck me tell Dewey?
And then Dewey tell me. And when I ask him, I come wicked liar, wicked boy.
What the fuck me I do that for?
Tia.
Nobody can tell me you for go on and una for blood clot.
Tia, Dewey can't tell us everything.
Say one big man, so make up your mind what you want to do. The first time Dewey come back and Mr. to Dewey say, and me, put him in the car and say, Dewey, come. You have to go home, go talk to your fucking wife.
No, are you move him out camera and all that?
No, the Queenie, him beg me. Me never expect the man for coming on my fucking car.
Thank you.
Dewey start all of this. You see, Dewey a fucking problem. Same fucking shoes that too. Where am I ring me down for? I'm glad you said on the live a while ago. Say him a wicked. You understand? This fucking youth. Me tell him, you know. Me say, don't hide from me. Queenie ask if me you're there on. Tell her, say, yes, me done. Yes, my wife. Can you make me meet him? Yeah? Boom. All me say to the youth, say, brother, hold them in a Queenie.
You do all them.
No tell no bumbo clot like me.
Blood clot.
No bumbo clot like me. And now come
are you getting trouble?
Internet man.
How you mean right here? Then take me not hear from your ear all a blood clot. That's why you expect me to do. Me I go call you. Me not call no blood clot body. Me I talk me truth. The whole of we are blood clot crosses. The whole of blood clots we. Dewey is a disgrace more than my blood clot. Said me a woman. Me is a mix up Dewey. You walk and chat me. Me never chat blood clot here with you. Me know him chat.
And your fans them call him. And him all that. Him all make people trick him to keep meet and greet.
Them trick him to keep meet and greet? Him is a worthless.
And do it fuck off.
Theo, Dewey can't tell us how me chat him. Chat you. The only blood clot thing me chat you with. A Birmingham. Where we go Birmingham? And you cuss me some.
You may tell Dewey so no fucking tell me nothing. I'm a lying at me.
Dewey!
Me tell Dewey no fucking ask me none of blood.
Dewey! Can't tell you, sir.
Yo, Queenie, all of this just embarrassing, brethren.
It's blood clot, embarrassing for my husband. Take up, move out, I mean, I don't know when blood clot there. I get up on internet, I go like you want to style me and throw me in a rubbish bin. And boy, you go war me. The graduate, you hold it with your blood clot for you walk and catch a people blood clot yard. And I come make it look like, say, me the most disgraceful. Are you disgraceful to you? You disgrace me. You chat me with every blood clot body. Me shame. When me hear about the whole heap of something when you chat say the way. You come go like a good Lord have mercy upon the whole of blood clot. You fucker you. Me tell you, time and God. You hear that? But you come sit down and hide. Everybody call do it chat me with them. That's not a bumbo clot. And that husband you made it off. You don't know what for keep back. You don't know what for all. And then except me that I go sit down going a rubbish fan over you. How that you gone to? Go back a blood clot, Jamaica. You say you want to go back. It's a disgrace. Before you come stand up with your wife and make me a sort out thing. Yeah, catch here, there, every blood clot. You fuck out, no? No, don't fuck with blood clots, me. You hear that? Yeah. I feel good to you come. Me never call to your phone. From my husband disappear and me, you don't know what do it from no blood clot way. And from do it disappear. And me here say you do it. Are you a par? Me never call you do it. I mean you feel loyal to you. So because I'm a man, all of a sudden you turn against blood clot. Me I want you to say, do we have a dirty mix up? all of who they saw bash me, I would do we tell him, sir. And do we never one day remember the goodness and the nicest? I want him to whisper in my blood clot ears. I want him to remember none of them there. That's not some husband negative. But your brother, they tell me say you're easily influenced. You're dirty, nasty blood clot. See boy can't come with where? You're dirty rascal. Other life that you want. You run from me. You gotta walk a blood clot England. Cause you think like say you're hyper and feisty. And you don't have no loyalty and no respect. Remember enough things you do me not do it. And because of marriage, I hold it. You fuck, are you? Tears always my little friend. Tears like my son, like everything. Me and Tear close and tight. I'm going to Birmingham before I turn artist. Them pay me for come do a show. Me and him go down there. When the show done, we sit down on the table for around maybe 1 2 hours, sit down there. And the man asks me, say, if I can make them get the table. Because some people they come in and they want and them want the space. So the man asked me if I can give him my table with the 5 hours. I come off of the table and say yes. And with it over the corner, they say, Auntie, you're mad. I said, no, Jay, never you do that again. And when me and Tia come on the motorway, me and Tia argue. I mean, I know what Tia say in October, say something, but me and Tia not have no vibes or no something. So for my husband, go carry my name to Tia. Do it, God go with you. Me tell you, say the whole light I go tumble down for you, because I'm real do it, and there's enough more for blood clot, come on. The amount of things that you chat do it, the amount of things that just sit down and shake my head. You need to stand your grounds and hold your composure. You take my friend, so you go behind my back, go thief my friend, and then carry my name to Tia. But me tell you see Tia not take blood clot chat. I swear Tia terrible and awful like blood clot me. So when you think say that I carry my name to Tia and Tia that I got keep blood clot secret for you, he's a piece of bumbo will do it. Me have to pray for you because I tie up with the word to do it. You think me shame over coming by Instagram come cuss you? Do it. You think me shame over going by Instagram come cuss you? Do it. Me shame all the quiet man liar mix up. Do it. So me see you put the big white plaster on your forehead there in a march and also. Me say bumbo clot one little cocoa. And the man put one big round plaster son. And you do me I say you go war with me on Instagram. You can't war with me on Instagram. Do it. Because there's a God. Do it. You can't bite the annual feed and show off and grudge and have me up. But you see me hear him say every girl in England want him and him a go make them lick off them cheesy cocky. Me say, but could this blood clot boy, them girl are alpha girl. Them girl are sit down and get things done. So if them take your blood clot cocky, you can't take no girl for no blood clot fool my husband. You need to cut down yourself, relax your blood clot self and build step by step. You move too fast. For you when you run down nothing, you move too blood clot fast. Creep before you walk, lonely before you walk. Do you? Relax your blood clot dirty self. You're the one side that hide from blood clot me. And it's with time, dick and blood clot. Hurry. Are you feel good? No, I'm lying wicked. Mix up. Mix up. A long time I know I said the way I mix up. But sit down here the way I chat him mother at Jamaica with him blood clot friend them. On the phone. Yeah. The way I mix up. So I say the way I do me, so I just laugh because me I say, I'm a husband, I'm loving her, I know what I'm giving her. But so everybody I tell me back when I say England, I say blood clot. Yeah, me hear say the girl call you, and you're up on the phone with the girl, and when I call her, you answer back. Then you gotta tell me, say, Tia say, to take a ear from you. Oh, I mean I said, Tia tell you to take a ear from me. You said to me, say crazy. No girl can't have my heart, you know. You come talk about me destroy. You destroy blood clots me. You destroy me. Because we go for holiday and from holiday you don't want to stay longer. You never stay blood clot longer and that costs all of this and them video.
When you come out for that America, because you see this gone way out of hand and do it, make this reach way out of hand than it need for reach. Me be real to do it, me talk to do it. When do it just come around, me send back your husband around him, me tell him say do it. If you want make your wife, the only thing when me can say me say wrong, me say to him say, the only thing if you something them up on me yard, she go fret. You understand? Me tell Dewey, you do your thing, do your thing. You understand? Me say to you, say, me never bring your husband or tell your husband what to do. I tell your husband about for left from around your family.
You believe me? You believe me? Do it.
Tia, me don't know Dewey from nowhere.
You believe I lie me? I tell when I asked back Dewey last week when him come over there say, how you mean to you say? You have to take a ear break from me. Him say never tell me so. You hear me? Before Dewey move out of my house, Dewey said to me, say, a true tea talking now. The man said, if you take a 1 ear break and crazy, no matter where me go, you go hard. No girl can get my heart, but me go fuck some girl. You know how much pussy me give you? You are going to come tell me you are going to fuck some blood clot girl. Everything me say on internet, you vex. But the fuck is about? How dare you be my friend? And I tell you, take a 1 ear break. Then when me yes, I take, come in and care, come get your things. And me I say, what? I'm all it. Me not see you call me. Me not see you call me. All the on internet I hype. So me say, I tell you, gas you. Because tears a gasser. If me buy your shoes, me call Tia for gas me. So when me see a hype, so do it. And you never defend your marriage. But you defend Marty. Me I say, then wait there.
Okay, then.
You never defend your marriage.
I used to friend him do that the other day. Me say, do it. Hear me, I say, done. Go on your ways. Go on your ways. And I say, come, me bring him, go me here, go pick up him stuff. Then me say, so that is fucked up. Oh, somebody for just threatening your wife, regardless of where you are in her have, and you're going to defend her on internet. And I just I'm going to cut time.
You never defend your blood clot self.
No more
so me say, so wait, that's for this gun. Tia.
Stop chat your wife.
Tia.
Stop chat your wife. Stop chat your wife.
You
Stop
me
chat
see
your
him go mad.
blood.
Me should even call your name on him life. You say me see him go mad. Me say, Tia, not have no part to do with that. Tia, never going to make a downgrade your blood clot self. Tia, do it. You could have never chat back to
when
blood clot.
When the man come on blood clot, they come on the live with Marty. I'm going to lay down. I'm going to jump up. So I'm say, yo, you're not ready for go for your things then. And him say, yeah, me done. Me ready. And I say, alright, then cool, come make a cut. You get me? And him go get him things them and somebody come pick him up and from dead so. You understand? Do we all try contact, text me like him a bad man and them thing there. Me tell him say when me ready me will drop your things them to your wife, cause your wife will come pick up your things.
Me no want them.
Hold that blood.
Me no want them.
Him cars.
Mix
up him cars,
yeah,
man.
One big fucking man. Tell me so you have to come out of my house and me not have your fear. Wait there. Oh my husband, remember the night when you come there and you're purple and pretty something, you know. Just give me one of that. You say me here do it, say so a good thing me not eat that can me tell my friend. Me say, Tia, how Tia if tell do if you take a break? When do we come here for bill and mind me back, give me back some of my money when me spend. I work as a husband, I will live as a team. All do I want to mix up. Me I say do it in the car with the girl. And me ask do about it. On the phone. Do we go back?
Horoscope just tell me.
Your horoscope tell me say do it. Tia would climb on the blood clot. Oh stop. You know who near blood clot? Ask him. Ask blood clot him. When me say me know you gonna care about my name to Tia. You liar, you mix up. But me I tell it. You're running a blood clot people and I run from me.
From the man said to me say, my wife say, you deceive her. Me say no, me need to talk to Queenie. Do you don't want you around me no more. I forgot cut ties with your brother. Cause me say I be like you walk and I tell. Me beg yourself to tell your wife say you're there around me.
Me not tell doing nothing like that. Me tell Dewey say you're vexed with blood clot me for Birmingham for the chair. Cause you say me a queen. And me should have given him the table.
I know.
Me could have never lie my husband and tell him mix up.
Do it different, blood. Do it quietness to make people think say him say it. Every morning me get up and hear do it by your fucking name. Me say man, you just stop chat your wife. Stop chat your wife. Do we want come tell me things and me tell do it say me no want hear it.
Listen, your friend him a chat me. Me in our house and doing a talk to me and do it up on the phone and chat me with them friend them.
Me not do them thing there. Anybody with
all the while.
Me not like mix up, me not like them fucking something their blood. So nobody not come paint the picture of me.
When him say, wait there, when him come back last week and him say, so don't I tell you I did it there. Me say, so when you say every girl in England want you, you go make them suck your cheesy cocky. I tell them things and me say you think say girl a idiot. We work hard. Can I make a hear me? I make enough cheese upon it and I say, see that youth, yeah? I just wedding when I married and flying on my head, but you don't have no stability. So it's when I see I try done blood clot me tell you. Me say tell truth, I got take out. You see, none of them people you chat me with the whole of my friend them. You chat me with Gucci. You chat me with Shana. You chat me with Aisha. You chat me, you know. None of them blood clot people you chat blood clot. Me you want me to go. When I tell me say me I'm a mad man. And my husband secretly blood clot mad. How you fi care my friend name Theo to me? Come tell me, Sir Theo, say, you need one.
To me. So make sure the two of we not gonna have no communication with
What
each
tell
other.
you me, say?
Him just come and say, I don't want to hear nothing that you have to say, do it. Him say one and two things. I'm not gonna go on your live and say what
Oh, when you come off our live, it's alright.
When you come off your live, me will talk to you. Me can say a whole heap of things where your husband say, where do not need for say. Your husband will rob you.
Me know.
I don't need to go on your live and do this. This is why I just beg you, come off of the live. Theo, me I try to clarify the truth. The 3 truths there, 4 truths there when me meet Dewey.
Yes.
Yeah, I did not.
3 truths there go.
I did not take Dewey out of him yard. Dewey, when you park up, Dewey run going at the car and him smuggle the suitcase them round the corner. I was very shocked. I said, what you gonna do now, me done? Him said, I'm gonna drop them up on you now. I said, alright then, cool, my brother. You understand me? I said to you, say, Dewey last the whole night and I know where the fuck him do. How me if take up a last soul for me now? Dewey not have nobody here but you. You are his confidant.
The man say you say him to take a 1 ear blood clot break. Theo from me ear that me cross. Me I said, Theo, when know me from me a 9, from him a 9. When show me so much love, then I when me could have do blood clot here. So, but
what you could have do me?
You see him?
What you could have do me?
Dangerous little blood clot.
What you could have do me?
But you not reconnect. You just have a blood clot by the way running. You don't have no loyalty, you don't have no meds, you don't have no sense. But you put up, but you're not ungrateful. You don't know if you're hand, foot, head, nor tongue blood clot grateful. You don't know which grateful you're fucking full. What, darling?
You're one of my biggest fans. We work right there.
Oh.
Mercy, a friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Blessed love you. Me not even in a mood to give one proper greeting.
All right then.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What you want, a
We watch
picture?
all the time, yeah.
Get her a picture with me, Anna.
Yeah.
Me glad you're mad and terrible like blood clot. Me call him once, me call your name. Me tell him, me say you know, make no better tit up on the top of the blood clot car. Me go. Tia go. Give her a picture, there, please. Give her a picture. Me go end the live because I need to talk to you, Tia. Give her. Me nervous, you see. Do it. For you just come in November, you chat me with Aisha. Aisha. And when me there at Jamaica, and yeah, Aisha there on the road, and I beg Aisha do something for me. Me switch for Aisha. Me just start cuss Aisha. Aisha never do me nothing. Remember good do it. My spirit. Ha. Girl power.
Go power, peace.
Yeah, come talk about you have me up, because I do too much things, Bala. You're welcome, darling. You have me up. You can't marry to somebody and get up about blood clot. A dirty heart you have, dirty blood clot mine. You know, so I'm going to rebuild myself and get strong and come back to blood clot you do it. You see, when you see from me see you go up alive with the girl, where a boss says she put knife on me. I know you don't have nothing but blood clot you. You don't have no stability. You clear your name so you're not there with she. But when them tear me down, you not clear your name none at all. You not clear me, you not stand up for me. But you stand up for somebody with. And that's your loyalty. And your blood, come talk about me, chat here. Never blood clot that. Never. I one thing me tell about you. I said to you, vexing me because I give the people them the table. I said, come on, Tia. We're there long enough, somebody else can use the table. What the fuck you feel like doing? I this you married to me for? For run off like one chicken and go itch up in a people blood clot house and feel good. Move! You dirty, nasty blood clot, you. I want the world to... I don't want nobody take no side with me. I take my own blood clot side. I want the world to rock on my baby. Man was made to blood clot suffer. A woman was made to feel the pain. Are you supposed to suffer as a youth and stand by your blood clot wife? You run and itch up and chat me. Everybody call you. Right now, people that on this can type and tell me things they do is about me. And you know it's true, do it. You done blood clot me for free. You don't have no meds. You don't have no blood clot. Him not done. Him more illiterate and dark. And him hold grudge. And when him hold grudge, him not let go blood clot grudge. You can't have me to tell her to go suck your mother because you use them words. I'm going to tell you that already. You use them words. You tell all your brother go suck your mother. So you talk like that and you want reprimand me about that. You never, me tell you, say tell truth. Me say anywhere you're there in the world do it. Me go know. Me a queen, I'm a clean. And if I know the girl cousin, I go tell me the girlfriend. So you say all that girl, you say you go put cheesy blood clot, because you have to walk on mine blood clot them. And let me tell you the difference. Some boy have big cocky and them cocky good. And some boy have little blood clot cocky and them know for fuck. So fuck is not no blood clot girl problem. Because you don't feel like someone have a bit blood clot cocky is all. Yeah, some boy when have no blood clot cocky when them done put all them your two in them mouth and romance it. I think I want big lion blood clot. So you think your cocky is blood clot all. The girl them are going to use it. And as moment the cocky come out of the blood clot pussy them I say, put all the current. Put on like a gas on the light. Put on me help you for come here if you got each of people blood clot. Yeah, they work. Me don't know about your work. Just a hyper and just a chat me a tear me down. So you need to go hide and pray to God and hold meds. You have one great blood clot wife for love you and fight for you. Stand up for you. You never stand up for blood clot me yet. You fight me off of Jamaica when me I do the insidious. Tell them when me I do the video shoot. For the 30 man, you never come out of the blood clot carrier. Sit down there. I'm in the hotel, you fight me. I have to grab your big finger and I'm like, Talk now, do it say you're a little bumper blood clot wicked boy. You complain pitch about abuse. You come to England and it sound good. Yeah? Me make him run, and me make him run, and England make him run. Because when me the day at Jamaica, me and him I go through all, him still itch up with me every blood clot way. So that's your ground. Why you never run at Jamaica? Why you never run? You walk and mix blood clot. Me, you chat me with every blood clot body. You chat me with all the man at Jamaica. All my friend man at Jamaica you chat me with. No man, them set your blood clot. So they say all when me here, me despise blood clot as much as they despise me. Me still a defend you because me a husband. Him for divorce me not pay my money to divorce him. Fuck him. Anyway, I'm going to end the live in a car. This campaign already in town. Move your nasty lie and mix up blood clot. You know, mix up more than nobody else. You come here and take with the whole of my blood clot friend them. And I chat me with my pussy clot friend them. What you think you're going to achieve out of that? If I call him, I say, do it. You know, some ear say this, some ear say that. Oh, lie, tell the man of this and the man of that. Everybody you defend and I defend blood clot. Why you think me deal with this? Why you think me deal with this? I still love you. I still love you. But me not be no blood clot puppy show for you no longer, do it. A long time your brother tell me. Me no business in a long time your brother tell me say you're easily influenced. You know have your own mind. And you can't sit down and anybody can get in your blood clot head and your tongue gets me. You need to wake the fuck up. I don't think you can style pussy hold me. You not reach nowhere yet. You're not even there 1 year. The man who make my ball to the cup, me never married to him. And a 5 blood clot years me and him there. And you're married to me. And me I said, do we go do some counseling? Me not go do no counseling. Do we we go to the pastor? Me not go to the pastor. Do we, you know, say if you not do nothing, me I go put you on internet. Do you need to come and talk to me? No matter what me do, I say to you. And you boots me. If you got disgrace my wedding, my marriage, me, myself, my family, your family. You boots me. What me say do it? Why you have to wait for me go up on the high building for drop down when you see me drop on dead before you move? And you still sit down there. You're a wicked little boy. But you're not blood clot connect. Me look like me while you reconnect. More you know say you're married. And you have to come blood clot surrender with me. You fucking jackass. Me have your name. You think I fuck me, I call you, I look after you. Me not fuck you. Me have whole heap of blood clot vibrator and I carry if me want fuck. Whole heap of man out there me can go get blood clot quick fuck. Fuck and I'm a blood clot problem. I'm a dignity. Me union. You hear that in the...
You try to help people.
Big up yourself.
Fuck.
Remember them, they tell me so I'm not to help you before you come here. I say you don't want to come in further. You don't care. If you don't fucking care, you don't stand your grounds as a man, as a soldier. Baby, me can't even talk to you now. Kiss the baby. You don't stand as a soldier, you didn't have the blood clot arm. You don't stand as a soldier and get me and say crazy. Don't do this. Crazy don't. You hear me tell me now? Me not go up on no more internet with you. Me not go up on no more plane with you. So me not must class. You can't deal with me, sir. You're married on the internet. You're up on my back on the internet. You Skype on the internet. You have the girl on the internet. You love the internet, so why you fight me, I fight. And then you sit down chat. Me say to you, me love you back. If you want to eat blood clot, me love you, but me tell you, me say, Tia not take blood clot fucker, but Tia's a gasser. You see, if a Tia gas you do it, he might guess your blood clot good, but you see when shit hit the fan, Tia go up on the top of the blood clot care like me. And him go speak him truth. Ask my husband if I not tell him that. Me say me, nah call Tia. Because if it's through the tone of man, And a man blood clot par. When me, remember me and him and do it at the yard, you know. I went to your left, you know. Him said to me, say, I chew to your attack, you know. That's when him said me, I say, then Tia tell do for left you here. 1 year for do what? You know, Bill, I know England, I understand England, and you go work, I say you have a little work friend, them, you don't reach none of that yet. You
that
just
makes sense to you, doing
it don't make no sense, no, but you know, me eat now, the man want run or left me now. Remember, you know, me I say I couldn't a girl fly in blood clot head, because girl pin out there left, right, and center, but this is a wife ship. So if something I go on, protect your wife. When me say the man don't care about the wedding, none at all. Me say no. Move your dirty blood clot, but you go on life, bro. Go fuck Mardy now. And that you forgot do. Cause our pussy a jump for you, I must jump here, cocky a jump for blood clot. You go on life and verify yourself. And justify yourself to Mardy. And me we a ball. And a rubbish pan. And with them satisfaction, you know, look for me. Who you, man? Who you, Mr. Scarlett, my husband? Who you? What you think, sir? Another guy zip me up trying to say, me not give Mardy no more knowings. But me have to touch on a blood clot to a foot. You hear that? A wife. Remember you said to me, say, husband you want, husband you get. Remember you tell me you not start this my nasty blood clot. You can't dismay yourself, you are this. And you disgrace me, you disgrace it two away. See like how me disgrace me, I have to block down the blood clot, man. Me never gonna be no more shame face. You cock up like that on blood clot holiday too long. Me's a hard working blood clot old bitch. You understand? Do we go on a shop? Oh, my husband this and my husband that. I'm a suck salt through wooden spoon. You saw me say start hype on me and start chat me. I say, When you come here in November, I may go over SL's lounge, go work, and the woman pay me £400 and you just come and them have quarantine. Do it. It was cold November. All that's the chat me about do it. I know, say, why I believe the people them? Because it was cold November, you just come here, you work with your wife, and you still a blood clot chat with my own friend them. Do me hear everything. When me tell you, say, do it, you say, you sit down with these people and turn against me. The people them are going to look and say, but I'm not Queenie Elvis boy. Why not Queenie make me know him? Hello, a girl, yeah, bless up, bless up. But I'm not Queenie make me know this man. But I'm not Queenie this and I'm not Queenie that. You think people are idiot do it? Me not tell you down through my help. I'm helping from my heart because I love you. You're married to me. I'm frightened over my marriage. And we're married for better or for worse. No, for better or for catch. So you run from better for go catch. And then you want to tell me shame how you do it. Me shame. Do it shame. Do it. You don't even talk loud. You don't even fart. Let me hear you can catch up. Me shame how you do it. Yeah, show you how you despise me. You're tired of me. When me say do it. You catch up people yard, you know. My brother now go on internet. Me say you don't know who blood clot you is. Fuck with you. Me say to you thin blood clot skin more than you. I can't tap him go on. So fuck with blood clot you cause you don't have no meds. And you know body can't stay friend for long. You say do we have no blood clot friend? Him and the whole of them friend them kick off and you don't keep friend. Go! But you want to wreck me and come internet war me. How you for internet war me when I put you upon this? You a fool? You see, I'm back and belly right them with turn against me. I just say, no, this not right. You think that you me a 50 blood clot too, you can style me. Style my heart when I have fear. My genuine clean blood clot heart when I have fear. You hear that? Me no shot a fuck. So when you walk and tell people like me I'm mad. You have to tell blood clot people me and you not argue over a girl. Because if a girl your blood clot want me stay in the car, you go backward and you go fuck who you want blood clot fuck me a dads. Me give you king life dirty germs back do it. I want to you. Now you come paint picture like me and madam and I chat people talk about me I argue with you. Me not argue with you over no blood clot girl cause 3/4 of the girl them will message you. And me and you their message. Cause me say every blood clot thing and me and you discuss it. So you go behind my back and make it look like me I want a weak soldier. How much blood clot girl me give for fuck? I want to blood clot you fuck on my problem. So all who out there diss me and think them can't take it, them take you. And you fuck out them blood clot, I fuck bring we come here. I don't worry about fuck, I worry about dignity. Loyalty. For your husband to protect me. For your husband to stand by me. Not a blood clot chicken head. My class you. And you still not make a difference. He's a wicked bomber. Well, better the compare internet come class. Me telling you about silent blood clot you. When me say to you, say, do it. So you take the something out at airport where I me video against me. And you know you do me enough something here, you know. Yes, but I in a private. So I say, okay. So try in a private, it make me feel alright and you feel alright, but it's still fucking hurt. You hear that? Dirty blood clot marriage, as you say. Marriage me want, marriage my blood clot get. And you beat up my friend and call him name first before you left the house. Remember good no man? When you're on the phone the whole day. Remember you said to me, say, that's my lot. I said, Tia. So I said, Tia, say, now the little voice like one puppy dog. I said, so how Tia if you tell you? Remember him saying a true Tia talk, the 1 ear brain. I say, so how Tia if you tell you take? I said, Tia don't married. So Tia can't tell you take. He's a married man. He's a blood clot press button. So that's why you see me ask for Tia. Because you bring Tia name to me. So I say, eat Tia one guess. Because if me there, so I feel down at Tia, I call her. I say, Tia, guess me Tia. Tia, I want some energy. Tia, me and Tia make the knives. So you is the mix-up. You are the blood clot back on belly rat. And I come tell me about, you know what, me dying feel live. And Tia, I don't care to blood clot. I don't think I silent blood clot mad me. I want to then go the sex. I say, yes, man, mother. Me be a perfect example. Me stay by my blood clot self. Me get on with life and me cook, me clean, me wash my face, me brush my teeth, me do my promotion, then me do my hosting, me do any blood clot thing me want to do. It's a dirty germs bag mix up. Do you not respect nobody? You not respect your mother? You not respect your father? You not respect your sister, your brother? Nobody. You in your own blood clot world. You must know where I stifle, where I aunt you. Why you so bitter in your little soul? Me not do you nothing do it. Me not bed, me I rub you down, me kiss you up. Me love you and blood clot nice. And when me see you now pull your blood clot we do it. That's what make it count. You understand me? You know come take me for no idiot. If I want you take me for idiot, me take you for idiot. You're too relaxed. Go there! Because see what it is. For work at England, take train. Wait till when the blood clot coal come in and you have to burn gas and light. You're never responsible in your life yet. Now you get the chance. Don't stay one side and show up for me and talk about say, yeah, mad me. Do you now mad blood clot me? You make my life bad. You give me a bad relationship. But you can't mad blood clot me because the love I have, I still love you. I'm still sure I love you. I'm still sure I'm married. I can't make you make me feel no less than the fucking wife, Mr. Scarlett. Fuck off, do it. You dirty, nasty blood clot. You never know to tell the truth that will come. You never know. Sit down and whisper. You don't know what to talk. You don't know what to hold back. You don't know what to protect me with. You don't know the girl in my watch. Them guys use your dirty blood clot for me. All of the girls them love me. All your baby mother love me too. All your baby mother. I've truth is to be told. That woman, me take up fear. That Trisha woman. So that's why I can't do my one blood clot. And I said, do we call Trisha mother? Do we call Trisha auntie? Do we call, I see you want style blood clot me like Trisha. But me is not Trisha. Me know what she be as a baby mother. You selfish, conniving piece of shit. You want to go. And I come blame me. But crazy. All the people them on the internet hear me, I tell me suck your mother. But you use that word every day. And your mother forgive me. So if your mother forgive me, you still at old grudge. Excuse, because you want to live wild life. You want to run up and down and itch up on people. Every morning you depend your blood clot phone and chat me. You think God asleep? You think God asleep me? I feed them with information. Then when them come off my phone, them must say that man is a mama man. Miss Jane, Miss Liza. How much people you got chat me with? Tell the people them the man. I run up and down last week for live with beer people like what headless blood clot chicken. The same thing where you tell me say me not to do. All of a sudden now you have 60,000 followers. Me see all that style me. You take off the wall of my picture them. Me see all your name Scarlet Soap and your company name. Virgin, calm down. You not reach nowhere yet. And some back and belly rat them the baby. You hear that? Calm the fuck down. The whole of them know you before me. Remember me not know you 2 years yet. So you see one of them where egg you on, ask yourself what bet difference they making in your life. And me will make the difference you and them sit down and chat me. You know see some skirmish. You know sit down and done me and a plan me. And yeah. No, him no want to say June plums to creep. Like me I tell him deny himself, him my enemy to him own self. Him not have no meds. Him not know for all the meds. The same thing will make you reach where you the June plum. True, him see him there one side last time. Can't tell me say I go done me for internet, you know. I say if I go up there, go drop my drawers, there, come drop your boxers. Him say I go done me for internet. You have dirty mind, do it. All when him tell me, say I'm going to stop my benefit. Me say my benefit will make you come here, do it. Do we enough things to do? And you go one side. Remember you call me bitch on the live. And when I say do it, the government can revoke you because you're not there in my yard. I send you a text and say be careful. You come here to comfort your wife and work with your wife and help your wife at my address. And I send you a private text. And you put it by your status, do it, and say, shut up all pussy clot, bitch. Something you write and say, you were so proud for fight me back. And then you text me and something and said to me, say, you're going to start my benefit. Me say, what? Do you who influence you? Nobody now influence you is a dirty-minded piece of shit. And when you're there at Jamaica, chat your friend about him go foreign. And him now do the right thing with him wife. Pick the beam out of your eye, do it. Because you don't do shit more than just did it. Just did it. You know, get up, make breakfast. And that me used to. You get up, sweep yard. So all that niceness what you used to give me when me there at Jamaica and show me. You change all a blood clot that. And I come tell me. You say me hear the youth say to me, say, the people that say for everywhere me go, you have to go with him. They say, who is people to tell you how you have to live with your wife? Can somebody ask me for everywhere me to go with my husband and me repeat that? Move your dirty blood clot. Them to tell you say you can't manage me and you're vexed. But it's truth. Because you don't have no stability. Because all that a big idiot blood clot argument. Me there at Jamaica everywhere me and you. I will build that band. So how when you come here so now, and you have to make yourself a man for me and you now. You wake up, baby, you know, sir, 8 hours, baby, you know this. Not at all, everybody else I inherit. When me create my sweat with my old self. And Pantapite tear me down, do it. Me tell you. Anywhere you're there right now, you see if your brethren or idea or your sister, somebody for them are going to tell me back. I'm powerful no blood clot. You can't bomb a clot come cross me. You hear that? Know yourself. Respect your blood clot wife. Stop chat your wife. Stop tear down your wife. You know what me I do? I fight for you. I fight for me and you unite. Me not fight you and tear down. Me not walk and chat you and discriminate you. Anything me say loud and blood clot. But you take people one for one and I try set me up. And I try look sympathy. Nobody not give no sympathy. Just to the moment them I get sympathy. Them not respond to you the way as a married man. You understand? You aim for go man. Go rehabilitate yourself, man. Rehabilitate yourself and like you want to be wrong and strong to say yes. Me a stinking car where man here? Cargo. Come heat my period, my big period pad. Boy, you're glad for what do we do? Cardo, my period pad you for eat. Remember you come by internet, come disgrace your mama say she over you. So me don't know what me expect you for say. You're an ungrateful piece of shit. You come talk about you're glad we do it to do it. No! Me not glad. Because that not look good for enough blood clot youth in the ghetto. And that not look good for enough woman where I try to say, well, them I go help somebody. You hear that? Don't blood clot get this twisted. You hide from blood clot me do you can't hide from God. And you can't blood clot despise me. Because you have a conscience. And you married to me. You blood clot married to the big bad British blood clot queen. So all of a sudden for you reach England now. A girl you left me for? No. Why you left me for? You don't have no blood clot reason. You not say you're a puppy show. So you make a union like that. And you can't maintain it. Poor me, rich blood clot me. Poor Queenie wa. When I say something there with one man for 22 blood clot here and give him 5 pitney and me and him left. Poor me. Me and Ziggy there for 5 years. Do we don't even reach 2 blood clot here. I want to know. Poor me what? Not poor me, nothing man, me alright. Poor do we. Poor everybody in England know your brother. So in the workplace, you know, them are going to say you treat your blood clot wife and I walk and look at tension. You treat me bad, half-full. You leave me no other choice more than to come on the Instagram, come disgrace you. And it's the truth. Because you're not open up to me, you're not talk to me, you're open up to everybody, so you despise me. And because you despise me, it get me hungry. So I talk out what I want. So now you're the idiot, man. You're the idiot. Yeah, they are catch a people blood clot yard. Who married and catch a people yard? Bad enough for married. When I'm there at Jamaica, I should even at your house or Jamaica, at your mother's house or my house. When you're married, you're supposed to take charge of your fucking wife as a man. Be responsible, go work. And your wife submit clean house and take care of the house. Make sure you get your food at your work. Clean and nice. Them kind of level the wife and blood clot husband, but you get carried away. You get your dirty, nasty blood clot. Come drop your blood clot drawers to me. Yeah, you see me a ball and a suffer. I just a run and everybody a laugh after Queenie. Lord, me sorry for Queenie. Me sorry for you, do it. You bite the blood clot and the feed you. What? You bite the hands that feed you, boy, you come get cream name. Scarlet cream. You hear me end of life because I know I'm done the blood clot. And you don't bring no weed now. You don't bring no weed for me. Are we there for life? Me not put you. Me not put nobody for my life. Yeah, I'm still young. Young or old, everybody get blood clot problem. Young or old, everybody get problem. So it's not about the young or the old. It's the respect when I have and trim sister, I love him. And what, my darling? Blessing every time. You don't have nothing to do with young. But him get carried away. You know some people can't stand success. So she say they are fine now and the girl in my DM. Enough things my husband do me. The girl feel him up down at Birmingham and I go up on the live and talk about say, me have all the picture. Me see him delete the picture with him. I say, watch out. Me all fool. Me quicker than blood clot you. Me all blood clot good. And when the woman, me have the picture you know, but it's true out of the woman, regardless of what she do me, and she me a protect and I do it. That's how that showing her the blood clot picture. The woman, the right here, sir. Me the right here, sir. And she take the picture and she have her and I feel up do it cocky. The three way I take the picture. I do it X-Fuck. She has 60 blood clot too. Don't mind do it like all pussy. I want me to put my life and see how much girl a bash me. And I say all of the awful things and I see my husband just living at the DM with the girl. One woman message me, I said, tell your husband don't tell me that I'm sexy, it's not appropriate. I said, do it. Stop messaging me and say, what's up sexy? Because when they say things like that, people get misled if you agree them. Him get carried away and just living at the DM. So because him encourage a girl, I said, do it. Some of them girls live at oh, you will never see them. She might impress the girl them now. The girl them in the DM now start disrespect me, start send me message. Remember me bad and awful. Some of them on the live and this is me. When a dirty girl if you stop it. When you can't see me I build something with the man and I fight it down and I know so I'm not gonna take the man and keep on care. You know what I say? If I know so one woman I gotta take care of my husband and make sure I'm alright, I don't feel no way. But if you see the way I bounce around like me do him something, it burn me, you know. If you do it, the guy live with that woman, I say, bumbo clad, that woman should take care of me. At least I feel good. Back now, when me see the girl every minute I text it for me, you know, I say, move on the dirty blood clot. You know me I throw back my word to get my little strength. Hello, darling. So I'm going to say, all the women at Birmingham, when I take the picture with her and feel up her body, you know, so do we go back and tell somebody, say, have me up for that because I say it on the live? I say, so wait, they do it. So me, if I feel a way for the girl stand up beside me, I feel you up. I'm a talk. And the man have me move your dirty blood clot. There's more for reveal about you. You think you can blood clot come here, come down me past Queensland. Nobody now defeat me past my land, do it. Because I have a pure heart. I'm a stand up and I fight for you, do it. You know much disgrace. I go through for you, stand up and defend blood clot, you. And one block of airport, something you run left blood clot me, I make excuse, silly stories, and I chat me and I class me. Enough more them have to talk, say. Don't mind blood clot, you.